Are you recovering from a total knee replacement and wondering if you should purchase an ice machine to help manage your pain? Well, this video will compare the effects of ice machines to the effects of ice cubes on managing pain following a total knee replacement. To start, ice machines are computer-assisted devices that generally work by circulating cold water through a pad or a wrap, which is then applied to the affected body part. Although ice machines allow for precise temperature control, continuous cold application, and compression, a few drawbacks is that they are typically very expensive and less portable. In contrast, ice cubes are just as effective as ice machines while being more accessible, easier to use, and cost-free. Research studies show no significant difference in pain reduction between the two methods. So if you're contemplating whether or not to buy an ice machine, based off of what we know, I would recommend opting for ice cubes as they provide the same pain-relieving benefits as ice machines without the expense or inconvenience of having to purchase and use a specialized device. To learn more about cold therapy and the effects of ice machines and ice cubes, check out my blog on the Curovate website.